2015. For this weekend, I was actually planning to go down to Barrie to enjoy some exotic food, having a little drinking bars with some of the friends. It's a long weekend over here in Canada. Today is September 6th, but I found a different kind of activity that caught my interest. What we're gonna do today is that we're gonna go hiking. We're gonna go hiking in group of a bunch of strangers. Do it every day. It's just not getting any easier. I forgot to buy soy milk for my shake. It's done yesterday and probably gonna have to replace it with some water. It's been a while since the last time I actually go hiking, so I don't really know what do I want to bring. I'm not a professional hiker, so whatever come up from the top of my head, I'm just gonna put it in. Let's just do that, alright? Wanna be bite?
5 minutes later.
Here comes the problem. I'm not a hat collecting guy, so I only have 2 hats in my possessions. One hat that I would use to show off for people, to look nice. Yeah, to look like this. And another hat for me to use just for about any other things. Here's the thing though, I cannot find the second hat. I feels like I'm gonna be sweating a lot. Definitely don't want to ruin this one. But I don't have any other hat. Oh, by the way, go Raptors. Well, I hope I'm not gonna sweat too much then. Always remember to bring a spare mask, alright? Mask is a new underwear in 2020. Alright, so we are officially good to go.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
No! We still need to gather Barrie. God damn it, forgot. Almost officially ready to go. Right now, it's 9:32. Alright? We're gonna pass by the convenience store. Then we're gonna go and drive to our destination. I don't remember the name of the place. I know it took 30 minutes to drive there. Double white battery and potentially 2 bottles of water.
Granite Pike. Yes. Thank you.
Alright,
Thank you.
have a good day. Just got my fuel for the day here. Looks like we're good to go. All the way down to... We go down to the hiking place. The point is that we're good to go, all right? We're good to go, good to go. Shh. Let's get on to it. We're in the parking lot of the place, Evergreen Brick Goods. Never been here before. Now the first time. Something's wrong with ticket kiosk when it's come to paying with credit cards. So I have to download the app. What is supposed to go? The washroom is gender neutral. We are technically in woman washroom. Yeah, here you go. So I changed my attire into a more proper hiker version of myself. I think I'm ready for a hiking trip. Let's get out here, shall we? Waiting for more people coming in.
This is a team that's gonna tag along with me for the rest of the day.
10 to 11. We'll probably be gonna start hiking around 11, but we'll see about that. The weather looks good today. The sky looks clear. Smells good also. $10 for you. If you can pronounce my name correctly within the first 3 tries. I'm gonna say it obviously. You're gonna try to say that.
I'm gonna butcher, dude.
Come on. All you have to do is just...
No, I'm good.
Ah, man. Okay, never mind then. My name is Viet Duong Ho. Come on, try it. Viet Duong Ho.
Viet Duong Ho.
My God, this guy already went to my $10. This guy not even betting. This is where the children is gonna come in, and then they're gonna do their own thing over here. That's so high. Oh. Yes, and I'm just doing whatever I think is the content for the video. What do you say? There's supposed to be like a chair over here. Most of the chair.
Yoga chairs here, but because of COVID, it's still waiting.
Oh man, I would love to be lying on one of these chairs. You just say there's a turtle over here. Where?
The other one has a few more.
I can't see it now. Check this out. Look at this view. Protect our turtles. There's a lot of trees around. Way too much trees around actually. I would love to see something new.
I think you can Photoshop anything.
I'm gonna Photoshop just about anything to make a meme out of it. Do you know what is the name of this dog? Is this a dog? It's a dog, right?
What dog?
That dog.
That's a fox.
What is a fox?
It's a fox.
It's a fox. Oh, okay.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Never mind. Do you know what is the name of this fox then?
It got cut off.
No, I was looking at the couple with the blanket. That's a nice place to be.
Russia. Middle East. Yeah, Middle East. Yeah.
Technically, Russia is Asia, right? Geographically speaking, yes. I'm starting to get sweaty. I'm underprepared for this. Hey. It's not the most boring place, but it's not really that entertaining so far yet.
I always bring that. Are you from Vancouver? No. Okay. I'm from Vancouver. Everybody does that. Oh, really?
Who's proposing who's? I need this.
Wait, like, don't you ever do the thing where you watch people and you're like, let's pretend we're like doing captions for them?
Okay, look at all the plants though.
Is this actually active?
Yeah, it is.
Look at all the plants though.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
Tell me how far back. Or
Here.
I'll go here. It's more safer. I don't know about that. Like, just you can just go on the side if the train comes. Nah. Don't jump. I'm not really used to outdoor activities like this.
It's been a while. I need to do it more often.
Oh, exactly, because thanks to COVID.
The rail is active at the moment, but look at this. Doesn't seem like anyone maintaining this track for like a long time. So
Someone
We'll
tells
take
you.
a picture here and be like,
private
this is our,
stuff, dude.
let's pretend it was our house.
Private.
No, I think at some point it's public property, so as long as you stay on that side of the
They can keep you on.
that looks like a nice mansion. Andrea, you're falling behind.
I'm answering someone else from sad.
Ah, rail track definitely is not active. That is the end of the rail track where it looks clear to go. From here on out, it's just a bunch of tree.
Not that there's a track, no.
Where can you put your camera so we
This is thanks to the lovely couple to help us to take a picture. We're gonna help them to take that picture instead. There you go.
Okay.
This is a nice view, by the way. To compensate for our current break in the middle of the day, we decided to take a lot of pictures. We've been taking pictures for the last 45 minutes, which is pretty average for a group of Asians. So looks like we're gonna continue with our journey. And now, what happened with my mask? Well, what happened with my mask? Uh-oh. That's no good, Sunny. Are we gonna take a second 45 minutes break? Looks very content for the video.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch.
You just do a pull-up. Just do it again. One. We are technically lost in the middle of nowhere. No, it is somewhere, but to us, it's nowhere. Now we're trying to find the way back to the trailer. Seems like all hope is lost. We're just gonna stick to the road. Hopefully, that destiny gonna lead us to victory. Let's do that.
So don't we just follow?
Doors, the brickworks.
So it was right. The guy that went down the bike, going down this trail here. Basically.
So in the end,
Because we didn't go on the trail, we went
where
off
are we
road.
trying to go? Are we allowed to walk on the road?
Yes.
We found a deer right there. Oh my. It's beautiful. Guys, we obviously did it. We made it back to where we came from. Where are we? This is not where we came from. Doesn't look like that way to me. Everyone looks so exhausting.
Nope.
Yes,
Just hungry.
we are on the way back to the trailer. 10 minutes walking from here. We made it, guys. We made it back to where we came from. Oh man, we're back. We're back from the hiking trip. It was pretty fun. I like it. With a few friends, and the camera ran out of battery when we was about to get lunch, which very important. We go and have some Vietnamese food. Actually, not all of us. We kind of split into a couple group. My group go for some Vietnamese food, and that was quite a nice lunch. Not too bad for the price also. Right now, it's about $4.50. Right now, it's about 4:30. I'm gonna go and take an afternoon nap for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna charge the battery for the camera, and then we're probably gonna go and get ready for the main event tonight at 8 o'clock. That's right. We're gonna go and regroup again for a second hangout on the same day. We're gonna go out for a bar in the Saturday. For the time being, let's get some rest. Keep up your hygiene. Keep up my hygiene, I mean. And reserve the energy for a crazy night. Until then, I will see you again very soon.